All right, guys, I've got a giveaway for you taking place right now, brought to you by Mophie. They've got these brand new wireless charging accessories. They sent some to me and they asked me to challenge a couple of my friends to go wireless for a week. All right, let me show you what came in the box because this is all this stuff you're gonna be able to win as well. Okay, the first items you're winning if you win this prize pack are these two right here from Mophie. These are Mophie's new Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless and the Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless XL. The Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless has 34 hours of battery life built in. That's on average, every phone is different. And the XL has 48 hours, so 12 more hours of battery power in the XL than on the regular. This right here is Mophie's Charge Stream vent mount. You mount this in a vent in your car. Then on the bottom you see there the micro USB port. You plug that in to power, and then this will wirelessly charge your device. And of course, one of the staples of wireless charging is the wireless charging pad. It supports fast charging for Apple devices. It supports fast charging for Samsung devices. You plug it into power right there in the micro USB, then just throw your phone on top for wireless charging. You will also get Mophie's Charge Stream travel kit. On the inside here is everything you need to wirelessly charge on the go. You've got a 5-watt wireless charger here. It can be plugged into a car. It can be plugged into a wall. And you've got the necessary cables right there. So if you want to wirelessly charge on the go, here's your travel kit. You've got the whole suite of Mophie's wireless charging devices, the travel kits, the Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless, Charge Stream Powerstation Wireless XL, the Charge Stream vent mount, and the Charge Stream Pad Plus. If you're watching this on Instagram, swipe up to enter. If not, just head to the description down below and you'll be able to enter and find the link right there. All right, so that's everything you can win. Again, giveaways live now. Who did I challenge? Who did I challenge to go wireless for a week? First of all, I challenged my friend Armando Ferreira. You may know him at Mondo Bites. Check him out. And I also challenged my friend Dom Esposito as well. So the challenge is to go wireless, use wireless charging only on your smartphones for a full week to see if it's doable, to see how wireless charging works in this day and age. Head on over to their respective channels. I'll link them here below. Don't forget, swipe up if you're watching this on IG to enter the giveaway. I will also put this in an Instagram story and probably on YouTube as well as a vertical video. If you're there, check the description. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and good luck to everyone who enters, because if you win, you'll be walking away with some pretty cool stuff. Peace out.